In this video, I will go through with the minute details on how to handle microscope with care, what steps one should sincerely follow before using this instrument. This instrument is so powerful yet delicate, so proper pre-operative care is required for safe and effective use of this delicate instrument. With this, let's get started with the rules. Rule 1. Before any laboratory work, wearing gloves or sanitizing the hand with sanitizer is common to all of us. Wearing lab coat and mask is important. Now, why it is important to wear lab coat, mask and gloves? The exact reason is as we are going to visualize microscopic organisms which can be pathogenic or non-pathogenic and other pathogenic samples which can pose threat to our life and can be harmful. There can be chances of infection to our eyes, skin and to our whole body. So to avoid chances of sickness, wearing lab coat, mask and gloves remain important. Rule 2. Keeping the working area, bench clean and hygiene is important. Rule 3. While taking this instrument out from the closet or from the place where it is kept to the bench or on a plain surface, one should use two hands. With one hand, he or she should firmly hold the arm of the microscope, and with the other hand, he or she should hold the base of the microscope to avoid any mishap like falling on the ground. So this is the exact way of holding the microscope. You see, I'm holding the arm of the microscope with one hand and the base of the microscope with another hand. Rule 4. After successfully placing the microscope on the working bench, make sure the microscope receives proper illumination, exception with light inbuilt microscope. The light source should focus the mirror. Rule 5. Wipe the microscope with silk cloth gently and clean the lens with lens cleansing paper, if not tissue paper. Rule 6. Check all the parts of the microscopes are working properly, like nose piece, condenser, iris diaphragm. Rule 7. After the examination is done, make sure to wipe the microscope as per the protocol and bring back the microscope in proper designated place for further usage.